So welcome back in Google Analytics, and I want to show you how you can set your own filter. The reason why we want to do this is because you want to make sure that if you are going to visit your website, you want to make sure that this is not being tracked in the Google Analytics, especially at the beginning, because when you work on your website, all your activity is going to be tracked, but you want to include yourself, right? So you go from the dashboard under the settings in the admin settings, and then you see over here already the little icon filters, and you click on it. And once this is done, you click on add filter, and you can call this exclude myself with my own IP. Okay, so you basically click on that, and when you go through this, you will see here select filter type, you say exclude, then you see like select source or destination, well, traffic from the IP addresses, okay, and then select expression that are equal to. So now how can you figure out your own IP address? That's super simple. Just type into Google, what's my IP address? There are lots of different website providers, and they spit out your IP address instantly. So you go back, copy and paste it, and you click save, and that's about it. So, and now, whenever you have some activities going on your website, your own activities are not going to be tracked because you are excluded with this specific IP address.